Hi, it's me again at Caribbean Cuts on 28th Street in New York City. One of my top, probably 5 favorite stores in America. It's not Gucci, it's not Chanel, it's Caribbean Cuts because I'm the flower man. Come on in. Everything here, including the Jamaican music, is from the islands of the Caribbean. Take a look. It's all imported from the islands and sent up. You even get whole bunches of bananas. Heliconia. Hanging hairy heliconia. See, fuzzy like a monkey. All your foliages are here from the island. Giant palm leaves. We got fatsia leaves. We got stuff, I don't even know what it does. Giant monstera leaves. Then you flip to this side of the aisle. You've got your ginger, your heliconia, birds of paradise, beehive protea, I think they're called. More foliages. If you're doing a large event in New York City, they've got giant leaves. Come this way. I don't even know what that is. Just exotic things all from the islands. Everything imaginable is here. Look at the bright red anthurium. Check this out. Coconuts blooming. Black palm leaves, gold palm leaves for your special black and gold events, weddings, I don't know. So it's Caribbean Cuts on 28th Street in New York between 6th and 7th Avenue. I get all my tropicals for class here, and then I just come and listen to music. It's fantastic, one of my favorite stores. It's a little quiet today. Usually there's even more stuff in here. Must be a busy week for Caribbean flowers in New York City. I am Michael Gaffney. If you like what you see, subscribe below. Leave me some comments on tropicals flowers. They're actually very long lasting. I'm Michael Gaffney Flowers on Instagram, and Flower School 101 will get you into my classroom, so you can come here with me in New York City. Michael Gaffney saying keep blooming.